grab your Kali stick, do this form with me real quick. It's the first 3 forms of the Pekiti-Tirsia Seguidas first set. We're gonna break it down nice and slow right here. So from here, we're starting off in our backhand position, just like this. I'm gonna strike out a jab, okay? So that's the first strike. Just get this quick horizontal jab, just like this. Then we're gonna go jab, takedown, uppercut on that vertical, and fire out another jab. So there's 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. When you're doing it though, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. That's the count. 1, 2, 3, right there. So 4 movements, but it's done in a beat of 3. So get that. I'll do it about 5 times here. Okay, number 2 is gonna start the same way. Jab, takedown, uppercut, jab. Then we're gonna go into a florete, an angle to florete, strike down the vertical, and thrust. All right, that's number 2. So jab, takedown, uppercut, jab, florete, vertical, and thrust. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right there. So pop. Right there. What's up, Biscuit? Say hi to Biscuit down in the comments. He's hanging out, doing some training with me tonight. All right, number 3. We're gonna go into our long stance, long front stance, as we strike this long range jab. Then we're gonna take it down. Left hand goes up to protect the head. I'm gonna turn my whole body 180 degrees and come up on the outside or number 2 umbrella. Then I'm gonna swing everything back to the front and go into my number 1 or inside umbrella. From there, I'm gonna bring the weapon around my head. I'm going to go into a forehand jab right to the eye. I'm gonna flip my stick over, hit the other eye, and then into a long range jab while I go into my cross step and step it back. So number 3 again. Long range 4 jab, takedown, outside umbrella, inside umbrella, wrap behind the head, dot the eye, long range jab, just like that. Boom. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strikes on that 3rd form, right there. Pa. Then, once you have all 3 of these forms down, we put them together into one continuous form. Number 1, jab, takedown, uppercut, jab. Number 2, jab, takedown, uppercut, jab, florete, vertical, thrust. Number 3, largo jab, takedown, umbrella, umbrella, wrap around, dot, dot, and cross step on that long range jab. And then you can start it all over again. Practice this one out every single day. Remember, consistency of training. That is the key. Daily practice, my friend. And once you have these down, come back, leave me a thumbs up or say done down in the comments. And we'll catch you back here next time.